I do my normal. Do I do my normal? And you're like, TikTok noise is off, buddy.
It's not TikTok.
It's heels. Get off heels. Talk yourself over there. Today I'm here with my cousins, Aubrey and Addie, and we're gonna be making a cake. You can do that one more time. No, that was great.
Wait, what is it?
Hi, my beautiful bubbles. Welcome to today's vlog. I'm here with Annie.
She's
Oh, no, she's you.
No, it's fine. Yeah.
Oh, your fault.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my second channel where I never upload a video. Today I am joined with my wonderful cousins, Aubrey and Addie. Say hi. Hello. Today we're gonna be baking a cake, except one of us will be blind, deaf, and mute. So I'm gonna be blind, cause it's my birthday cake and I don't wanna know what I'm looking at. Aubrey is going to be deaf, and Addie will be mute because she actually knows what she's doing and the rest of us don't. So to make it more of a challenge, she can't speak. Let's start, shall we? In 3, 2, 1, we're losing our ability.
Oh wait, it's my mom.
Let's get started! Yes? Maybe this will turn out successful because Addie can see. Like, she can read that stuff. I just beat my pants a little bit. Come on, let's dance. We're gonna develop the language together. 2 taps on me means yes, 1 tap means no. So how do we start? What? No, Annie. Hello. What am I cutting? Craig, you better be getting good footage of this. What song are you listening to? I forgot you can't respond to me. This is such a lonely world. What? Wait, Addie's just making a cake. This is gonna be fake with Addie. And watch Annie and Aubrey screw around for 20 minutes. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. So we have a bowl with flour and stuff from this cake mix. Can I help? Can you guess? So Annie, you're gonna crack the eggs. Shit! I finally understand this challenge. Aubrey, I'm gonna wash my hands. Do we need water? Oh, we need to add all the wet ingredients. We need to add all the wet ingredients. That's what she said. You know, I added a little sprinkle of PG-13-ness. Mix? Oh, this is actually something I could do. Annie, yes, pour this. No, it's off. Guys, my hands are covered in whatever this is now. This is our filmer friend.
Don't put me in my
Should I get... Oh, I don't know what's going on. What else am I holding? What am I holding?
What are we doing?
Is this a knife? Spray. I'm so scared. What happened? What happened?
You spilled a sprinkle.
Help me.
Oh, in the cake.
Grab me.
The sprinkles are in the cake. Are you?
Guys, grab me like a bag or something.
Addie,
Help me!
I feel so useless.
You are. Don't worry.
Are you listening to Abba-Dabba-Dee Ba?
That song.
The random people across the street came over and now they're filming our video. So if you can hear random boys giggling. Popular opinion, the cake batter is better than the actual cake. That's so true, queen. That's so true. Sexy lady! Whoa. Annie, you know that dance? Give me your hands. What are you like this?
Okay, wrong. Wait.
So we're gonna cook for 28 minutes and we're gonna put them in the oven now. Should we have me put it in the oven? Filmer.
No!
I wanna make the frosting.
You're not facing the camera.
I'm not. The camera's over there because you guys are over there.
Annie is blind and deaf, bro.
A measuring cup. No say. No entendiendo, babe. I was thinking we just wing it. Okay.
The less
Icing is just butter, powdered sugar. Yeah. Do you wanna help? Who threw that? Ow! Our cameramen are acting out. I'm gonna do this because I don't know what they. What? Don't know! What's happening? Oh my god, it's on you! Get out of me! Addie, please help me. Oh my god, Kurt, don't! I'm being bullied! No makes sense. Guys, we're sisters. Help me.
Oh, are you talking about you don't know where the mixers are?
Oh!
How are you?
Not really well. I'm stressing about the audio process. Why does it smell like that? Butter should not smell like this.
That does not smell right. This does not.
That is feral, dude.
I wish one of the things we
I don't know
lost
why
was
it
our
smells
sense of
so bad.
smell. More? More?
I think we're getting into decorating, so I'm gonna clean up our area. I wish you could see how messy this is. I wanna do a soft blue. I want blue accents.
Blue? I'm in pink.
Who hurt you?
Who?
Who hurt?
Who?
Oh, cutie booty's calling me.
Who's Cutie Booty? Her boyfriend? Her boyfriend's distracting our beautiful
What?
video?
10 minutes, do you want me to come now?
No. No.
Timer for 5 minutes.
I'm doing something.
That is
What am I
so
doing,
bad.
Maddie? Aubrey!
Oh my god, that looks so good. A bunch of boys showed up. What do we do with them? We did some mining off camera and we're back with the final product. Aubrey ditched us. We don't know where she went. She ran away with her boyfriend. So we have Craig. He's Aubrey now.
Hey guys.
Okay, let's cut the cake. I don't want to cut the cake. It's too. The dog doesn't even want to cut the cake.
Annie, I'm cutting it.
Oh, look at that! It's like a little mermaid. We definitely did not poison this. You're gonna taste test it for us. It's almost 11 o'clock. We're really exhausted. I really thought that this would only take us 1 hour.
4 hours, that's a bit wrong.
I was a little bit off.
That's, you know. Cake.